Join us as we dive into the world of homemade goodness with our delightful and nutritious banana dates puree for babies. The ingredients we'll be using today are banana, boiled egg, dates, milk. Begin by peeling a banana and slicing it into a bowl. Prepare 3 dates and slice 1 boiled egg. Combine all ingredients in a blender. Pour in baby's milk to the mixture. Blend until smooth and creamy. Serve this nutritious puree to your baby at any time of the day for a delightful treat. This recipe is sure to tickle your baby's taste buds and leave them craving for more. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. If you enjoyed this recipe and found it helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Until next time, happy cooking, and bye for now.